The big talking point in the session has been, the headline maker really has been the currency, now at 61. Manisha, what's the forecast from here?
Well, that really is anybody's guess, but people are talking about 61.5 as a possible level coming in for the Indian rupee. It already is on uncharted territories. You have seen 61.20 as an all-time low coming in for the Indian rupee there. And there have been speculations or rumors in the market that perhaps RBI did come into the markets at 61.20 with some sales of dollar. The dealers also tell us that while the forward markets are very thin, not too many participants coming in for that one, but RBI really is keeping an eye on all the outflows and inflows coming in sense of dollar and rupee into the banking system there. Also, there has been some custodian demand on the Indian rupee opening today itself, and that's the reason you saw such a surge coming in for the Indian rupee. And that led to really RBI coming into the markets as well. But look at all side you, and you have seen very negative impact coming in for the Indian rupee. In the international market, the dollar index is trading at around 3-year highs. You have seen the Japanese yen, euro, most of the Asian currencies trading on the lower side, and that really has weighed onto the Indian rupee. But that really doesn't mean Indian rupee really has gone on to be the worst performing currency, not just in India, but in the world as well in the markets today. Apart from that, take a look at the crude prices. That one is trading at a 14-month highs. 108 is back in case of the Brent crude prices. That's another thing that really seems to be weighing onto the currency at this point in time. Also, it's the FOMC minutes that would be released on 10th of July. Ahead of that, further weakening on the rupee is not ruled out, because that is what would really tell you on whether the Fed tapering can become a reality anytime soon. Going forward, it really is between 59.5 to 60 as a resistance, and support coming in at around 61.5 at this point in time.